guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. This is mission 9 of 10 in the Wind of Fury series. Mission 9 takes us on an armed reconnaissance way deep into enemy territory, almost 200 kilometers. We're to hit ground, transport and trains. Heaven help us if we get hurt on the way back. So I'm going to start the video from waypoint 3. I figure by now you'll be able to get to Dorsten. And then when we get to the last waypoint here, which is waypoint 6, we're going to take a straight run back to the airfield. Over Dortmund, over Bonninghart, Wiese, and home. Dorsten just passing under our left wing, so right turn 100 degrees. We've just had instructions to alter course to the north, so we were over Dorsten. Gone over these areas here, so we need to head to the north, about 030. So there's a very distinctive group of canals. You should be able to find those on the map, especially this little triangular one down here. And there's that triangular one. There's that interesting group. So we are coming up this way. So what's our heading going to be? About 010. It says there are bandits down below, 10 o'clock. Let's see if we can find them. I'm going to tell my guys to attack air targets. My 3 guys have taken off to engage something, but I wasn't with them.
Charlie 2, engaging fighter to the east. Range, half mile. Out.
So this town down here is going to be Ludinghausen in 1228. I don't see anybody, so I'm going to head back up north to our patrol point. Well, there's Munster with the lake. Munster with the lake. Here's our patrol area. We're picking up some flak here. Got a few aircraft over there. Nobody says they're engaged, but they don't communicate that well. Those are friendlies. Could be a 109.
Baskin 2, engaging fighter.
Yeah, it's a 109. Okay, power up. I'm going to take the one up top because he's going to have less energy. could let him go, or I can catch him. He's going to try and pull up, so I'm going to stay up higher than him. Yeah, he's in trouble. He's dropped his canopy. That means he's probably going to jump out. If he was a human, he'd be jumping. Lost his tail. He's done. Now with all that zigzagging around in the dogfight, you tend to forget where you are. So I'm identifying this corner here as the part just to the south of Munster. That's this corner down here, so I know where I am. Okay, so you can see the flak bursting around us here. With no other targets, I'm going to look down on the ground and see if I can find those flak targets. Flak battery. There's a railway station down there, but I don't see any trains. Oh, there they are, right there. I'm going to come down and take one run at those guys and then head home.
Rejoin formation and continue with.
Okay, I have a positive ID on their location. Putting that in my mind. Take one run at them and then leave. And tally ho. They didn't like that one bit. Okay, what's our reciprocal heading home? I'm going to hit the deck for now so we don't run into any other flak. No damage. Very nice. So I can see this little squiggly lake here. I'm right over that. So I know exactly where I am as soon as I had a chance to look at the map. So I'm going to bring us around to about 270 and go from there. Now I'm in autopilot and not in danger. I'm going to look at the map. There was that little squiggly lake, and if I've gone 270 this way, that's going to be north, so I need to go to the left about 250. And to make it easier to see, I'm going to climb up. Down below there are two towns, very close together. Recognize them from a previous mission? That'll be Kusveld and Letti. Alright, so we're going to have to come 250 looks about right. Oh, there's a town down there with a railway running north to south through it. That's Balkan. See that big forest ahead there? That'll be this one. If we stay on the left-hand side of it, we should be able to get straight to the field on this heading. Makes sense? May even be able to see the field from here right now. Not quite. There's that small airfield, and that's this one. So to the left was that one under the clouds. So you can see from this mission that all the careful planning just went sideways when they decided they were going to send us somewhere else. And you can also see the value of knowing your position at any time. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you'll join me for mission 10, which is the final mission in the Wind of Fury series. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe, or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.